Get in, loser, it's a Lion Gates portal. Happy Galactic New Year! Guys, it's the Lion Gates portal. Imagine the universe is rolling out a celestial red carpet and it's just for you. This portal opens up when the star Sirius and the sun in Leo form a powerful alignment, which opens a gateway of high frequency energy. Think of it as a supercharged cosmic spotlight just beaming down onto you, amplifying your intentions, your dreams, your manifestations. This time right now is basically like the universe saying, hey you, yes you, let's make some magic happen. So yeah, there is so much potent energy available right now and I want you to make the most of it. So in this video, I'm giving you all the deets, exactly how you can take advantage of this powerful time for your manifestations and spiritual growth. Here are 6 easy things you can do to unleash your inner magic during this powerful astrological event, the Lion's Gate portal. Number 1, set your intentions with flair. It is Leo season. This is not a time for playing small. It is a time for being bold. It is a time for going big. It is a time for letting your hair all the way down. So when it comes to setting your intentions, being honest, being big, being expansive about exactly what it is you want to manifest. And look, if you can't be big and bold in your journal, writing to yourself, then it's gonna be really fucking hard to be big and bold when it comes to actually bringing the things that you want into your life. So light some candles, let your thoughts flow. Don't restrict yourself. Let yourself write down exactly what it is that you want and don't be afraid of putting some cherries on top. Write down your wildest dreams. Write down your biggest goals. Let your words be as vivid and colorful as your imagination and keep stretching it. If the universe is aligned to be like, let's cook up some incredible stuff, then you have to take advantage of this by letting yourself play bigger than ever before. Next up, classic when it comes to creating anything that you want. Get yourself a new vision board. It doesn't matter if you do it the old-fashioned way by getting magazines, getting some scissors, getting some glue, or if you have a scroll on Pinterest and you make a board of all the things that you want to bring into your life. Images that translate certain feelings that you want to bring into your life, things that you want to embody, looks that you want to try out. Curate a selection of images that really turn you on, and you can make this a really fun creative project and have it be something that over the next few months you can reference back to bring you back into this potent energy that you're feeling right now in this energized time of the Lion's Gate portal. Why restrict yourself to just a few days of feeling this energy when you can create a tool in a vision board that you can keep looking to for months and months until all of those things are ticked off and present in your life. Manifestation done. Next up, I want you to move through your days with lion energy. Here's what I mean by that. Every morning, visualize a golden light surrounding you. Imagine yourself as a powerful lion, confident and strong. And as you're starting your day, breathe deeply as if you're out in the Serengeti, looking over Pride Rock, looking over your entire domain, and let yourself be filled with this courage and clarity and inner strength. When you embody that for your day, shit's unstoppable. And then because you're moving through your day tapped into this lion energy, you're probably going to want to spend some time in nature. You might want to go for a barefoot walk. You might want to hug a tree, or you might want to simply sit down in a park somewhere where you can have trees, the beach around you, whatever floats your boat. But let yourself soak in all of the natural beauty and abundance that already surrounds you. And then each night, I want you to write down 3 things you are grateful for. Reflect on this abundance that is already present in your life and take stock of it. Make sure you're paying attention to it, because you already know gratitude opens the door for more blessings and more abundance and everything that you put on that vision board to come right into your life. Next up, in true lioness sense, it is your mission to take immaculate care of yourself. take a luxurious bath, like soak in essential oils. Imagine you're like a lion grooming themselves. Literally pamper yourself. This is really about indulging in the activities that make you feel fabulous and make you feel radiant, because that is some big lion energy right there. And next up, this one might be my favorite, but I'm absolutely biased, because what I'm inviting you to do here is embrace your creative expression. Paint, write, sing, get out your craft supplies, whatever it is. This high vibe time, this time of cosmic alignment, is magic for your creative energy. There is so much that can channel through you when you give yourself the time and space to let it channel through you. So give yourself 20 minutes, give yourself an afternoon to sit down and play around with the ideas that you've been thinking about, or play around with the art supplies that have been gathering dust. Give yourself some space to embrace your creative energy and to express everything that is waiting, that is cooking, because those things, those ideas you have inside of you, they are the path for you to create everything that you want to manifest in your life. Finally, my other favorite one of the bunch, affirmations. I want you repeating powerful affirmations to yourself every single day, throughout the day. You can stick them on your mirror, you can set them as reminders in your phone, or you can listen to what I'm about to share with you, which is some very special Lionsgate themed affirmations to activate the courage and the power and the boldness within you. Feel free to repeat them back aloud or in your head, or you can simply listen and let them wash over you. And here's the thing, like, you can come back to this video every day while the portal is open and afterwards, whenever you want to tap into this energy, whenever you want to remind yourself of just how bold you are capable of being, and reprogram your mind to think courageously and to move boldly towards everything that you are manifesting. Let's get started. I am open to receiving the abundant energy of the universe. I align with the divine power within me and embrace my true potential. I attract prosperity and opportunities into my life effortlessly. I am a powerful creator of my reality, and my dreams are manifesting now. I release all that no longer serves me and welcome positive transformation. I trust in the journey of my soul and embrace my spiritual growth. I'm surrounded by love, light, and protection. I am worthy of all the blessings coming my way. I embrace the courage and strength of the lion within me. I'm in perfect harmony with the energies of the universe. I radiate confidence, power, and grace. I'm connected to my higher self and the divine wisdom it offers.
I'm grateful for the abundance and miracles in my life. I trust the process of life and know that I am exactly where I need to be. I am a magnet for success and happiness. I channel the energy of the Lion's Gate and manifest everything that I desire. You are now primed to make the most of this unique moment in time. Get ready to roar, hottie. The Lion's Gate portal is your time to shine brighter than ever.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining me here. And be sure to comment below what it is that you are using this powerful time to manifest so that we can all cheer you on. Get yourself subscribed to the channel if you're not already so you can be the first to see all the new videos. And remember, you can be, do, and have anything and everything that you desire. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.